I have no idea what we're making today. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the set. My name is CJ. With me on this beautiful, hot, muggy, disgusting day is Stephanie T. Right over there is Nate. Right over there is Ethan. And right over there is your trip down memory lane. I have no idea what that meant. I have no idea what we're making. We have mystery ingredients. I have not been told.
Mysterious.
Well, no, but I've been told that there's a mystery.
Yeah.
And I don't like mystery.
Secret ingredients.
You've not rung the bell yet.
Oh, no, I have never.
Never has she. It's time to ring it and bring it. Let's go. There we are.
All right.
All right, everybody.
There's been worse.
We'll see on the inside. I have no idea what we're gonna find, but I'm sure it'll be tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
I don't think you can handle this. I don't think you're ready for this,
CJ.
So today I have no idea what we're cooking.
Genuinely?
Genuinely have no idea. I do see some ingredients, so I could start putting some assumptions together.
Genuinely, Stephanie is unbelievable.
Genuinely.
And I can't wait to eat what she makes.
Yes.
So tell me what we're doing today.
None of your business.
Okay, well then.
Oh, snap!
Everything is cut up apparently.
So I did it all in advance so
Hey,
that
look
he
how-
wouldn't have to do it.
It's very nice.
Flawless.
I did all that off camera.
Look how
Nobody has
tiny
to
these
know.
bok choy are. Where did you find tiny bok choy?
That's why I had to bring them all the way.
All right,
from
well then at the
California.
very least, what's the first thing that we should do?
All right, let's make the sauce.
All right, what's our sauce?
Okay, so it's gonna be a soy-based sauce.
Okay.
We're gonna start off with, I said soy, but we're gonna go with oyster sauce first.
Okay.
It's the first thing I grabbed.
I know that it's a necessary ingredient for a lot of recipes.
Yes, yes.
But it's a really funky sauce. Don't ever try it. It's not
one of
like
those strange things.
It is,
It's
but it brings
necessary.
so much umami and just
Ethan, have you ever
flavor.
tried oyster sauce by itself?
No.
You want to try it?
Sure.
Yeah,
You
go
don't
for
have
it.
to eat
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a lot.
Go for it.
Mmm.
Nom nom.
What would you describe it as?
Asian barbecue sauce.
Whoa.
Kind of.
Okay.
Not smoky, but yes, it does taste like
All right,
that.
so let's keep cruising here. Now
We
what is
got-
this one?
Regular soy sauce here.
All right, regular. So you say regular. Now this is go for it.
This
keep,
is
keep on cruising.
normal, like
Normal
just
sauce.
regular soy sauce that you would find at most grocery stores.
Okay, but now what is? I saw this dark.
Dark soy sauce, this is used for mostly color. So regular soy sauce is what you would use to salt and season a dish. The dark soy sauce you want to use for mostly like color and richness.
I was not aware of that.
All right, so then
What did
we
you
also
find?
have. I found some cooking wine.
Yes.
So did you just a little bit?
just a little bit for color.
Okay, so we've got some cooking wine here.
Yes.
How much do I do?
Go ahead and do like that much. Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Nailed
Was that too much?
No, that was perfect actually.
Oh,
Nailed
okay.
it.
I mean, you could have used a little bit more, but I think that was good.
We're gonna go a little bit more then. All right.
Yeah.
So what else are we doing here for the
Okay,
sauce?
so we're gonna always sugar for balance, but
Okay.
because we're not gonna use sugar, we're gonna
use honey.
honey
And then what do
today.
we got behind this? here?
Sugar for
Oh, wait,
balance.
tell
like
me.
a good another big squeeze. That should be good
Okay.
to balance out the saltiness.
I love
Whoa.
that you said that.
Whoa.
Careful now.
Sesame oil?
Sesame oil, not yet. We
Oh.
will finish it off later with that.
Don't do the sesame oil.
Yes.
What about?
So, do you like spice?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Except on hot ones. When it killed me.
it wasn't that bad.
That was,
It was
real.
bad.
It really wasn't
It
that
was.
bad.
All right.
No.
So how much do we do with this?
Let's do like a little,
A little dollop?
yeah. Have you had this before?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
This is like Andy's jam.
Oh, yes. Literally.
Andy's jam?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's Andy Jam.
Did you have any other questions?
No.
Well, back to it then.
Back to it.
Now
Yes.
what are we doing next?
Let's get it mixed up, and now let's take out the secret ingredient.
Oh
please.
no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Octopus.
Yeah, if it's octopus, if it's a severed head, I'm gonna be very upset.
Tuna.
What's in the box? See with the box. Who's in the box?
Obviously, he doesn't like seafood, so I
You
brought
would.
just some shrimp.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay, fine. Dang,
I can
should've
handle
did the
shrimp.
octopus.
No, 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 no.
Dave!
So what are we doing next?
We're gonna season it just a little bit
Okay.
before we take it to the griddle.
All right.
I'm gonna add a little bit of your favorite
Oh,
oyster
yummy.
sauce.
I love this. It's
Yeah.
an umami
Make a
Try it by
funk.
itself.
It's a Funktown population.
Throw a little bit of salt and pepper on there.
Okay. Just a hefty pinch.
Yep. that's
Umami
good.
for everyone at home. It's like a richness. It's hard to describe.
Perfect. Let's give it a mix.
Because it's not just salty, right?
No, umami's not just salty. How would you describe umami?
It's not just
Ask
rich.
your mommy.
It's
You're like a child who wanders into the middle of a movie and wants to know.
Walter, what's the point?
like depth.
No.
Depth of flavor. That's I
I'm
guess.
not listening to CJ.
Depth
Say
of
that
flavor.
again. He's bothering.
Like depth of flavor.
Yeah. Yeah, it makes it like it's like that flavor
Yeah.
in beef, that flavor in mushroom.
It's that like when you eat it, it's like comforting and you're
Yeah.
just like
MSG?
What is it? Yes, MSG. Brings it all
MSG,
together.
I'm all about it.
Yep.
They say MSG is bad for you.
It's not.
They're
They
idiots.
also say
It's not.
milk is good for you.
Milk was a bad choice.
Yeah, a bunch of idiots and drink.
Not so good for this.
Oh,
no.
I think it is bad for you.
I love aspartame.
Yeah, bet
What?
you do.
What?
Let's take it to the griddle.
Anyway, we're gonna divert. All right, so the thing with shrimp, and although I don't cook a lot of shrimp, but I will with my family,
Yes.
you can cook it too long.
Yes.
If you cook too long, you got gummy,
Yeah.
gross shrimp.
We don't want that.
Likes a
Right.
rubber band.
So we good to go down?
Yeah.
All right. Now we got a bunch of veggies behind us. When does that come into play?
That will be right after we finish cooking the shrimp, but if you would like, I can put it on the other
Yeah,
side.
we got
All right.
Still stay here. Let's get
So-
this going. How about I just grab a handful?
Teamwork.
Sure, that works.
Teamwork.
makes a difference.
Andy, get over here.
Andy, oh jeez.
White
Hot,
oil
buddy.
scraper.
Shut up, guys.
Only smart one on the team here.
All right. We got our veggies on. These are gonna need to toss and like cook down for a minute, right? Okay,
All
so
hands on deck. I love that.
Yeah.
so we're gonna let these cook down for a minute. We're gonna come back after we ring it and bring it, and we're gonna continue the party.
All right.
So
Party,
much
party, party,
education,
party.
so much going
Cheers,
on,
cheers.
so many cups.
So much fun.
So many activities.
So the veggies are coming down. We've got. Are we sweating them down? Do we need a little bite, or like, is it just?
I always like to keep a little bite on my veggies.
Got it. So we don't want this to cook too long, and of course this goes great because the shrimp needs to be flipped, but do like a couple minutes with the shrimp and
Yeah.
they're done, right?
They're just perfectly golden and good.
So are we good to go ahead and pull those off?
Yes.
Okay. While I'll pull these off, tell me what else that we're doing next.
Next, we're actually gonna put it all together and start with the noodles. We're gonna put them on the griddle.
wheat noodles.
Wheat noodles.
about wheat noodles.
So wheat noodles, unlike egg noodles, they're just chewy. The texture is really nice, and it's like perfect for this.
Go for it.
All right.
Oh, I like
And
that.
then water to steam, right?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Get a
I
good
like it.
blast on that, please.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, now. I mean, I guess are we like done for the minute? Until
Yeah,
these
for
are...
the minute.
Wow. So like we're cruising.
Yeah.
All right, then bring us again real quick.
Okay, here we go.
A
Ready?
little more aggression. Yeah. Man, that was super punk rock. That was good.
Speaking of punk, it's actually pop punk.
Oh no.
You messed it up.
Well,
Yeah, hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that Blink 182, their holding company for the band is Poo Poo Butt Incorporated.
shut.
That adds up.
Yep.
Professor Poopenstein. All right, we'll ring it and bring it again.
One more.
Here's to Blink 182 and
The poo-poo
Nate's
button.
favorite crappy genre. Na 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 na.
Posers were people that look like punks, but they did it for fashion.
I'm angry.
Nothing asshole's mad at me.
3 days to the big diggy.
Do you know what that is,
Spring
Stephanie?
break. Yeah, I actually do. I just don't remember the band's name.
I don't think
Nobody
anybody
does. All right, guys. So it has been like 3 or 4 minutes. Our veggies kind of had time to sweat down a little bit.
Yes.
Still have some bite. Our noodles have steamed up a little bit. So are we just incorporating now?
Yeah, that's.
Can I incorporate? All right.
Of course.
Let's incorporate.
see these noodles.
All right, here we go. Yep, this is a ton.
It
So
is.
this was very, very simple. This is kind of like, honestly, this is an easy weeknight meal, maybe a back to school, simple,
Yeah.
cook it up for the
Kids
family.
would love this. It's easy way to sneak in veggies. They might pick it out, but.
Or
you know.
shrimp.
Or shrimp.
The kiddos.
For the kids.
I ate salmon. It's on camera. All right, let's do this.
You want to pour? You want to do the honors?
You go for it.
Oh,
darling.
okay.
All
All
right.
right. So we're gonna pour the sauce all over.
Wow,
And
all
that's
of it?
enough?
Yeah.
I would have thought we needed more sauce.
I thought that was a lot of sauce.
No.
Wow, you were way off.
You were way off.
It's the perfect amount of sauce.
Andy. Okay, so the
Didn't have
sauce
it
is
right.
distributing well. You're right.
Yes.
And it smells so incredible. Do we add shrimp
Perfect.
now, or is it like a topper?
Just give it a good toss right now, and then I'll add it in for you just in a sec.
All right.
Sesame oil is a finishing oil. It burns really easily, so you just want to give it a nice like seasoning on it because otherwise the flavor goes away when you
So
cook
treat it
for
more
too
like
long.
seasoning than what you're actually cooking
Yeah,
your
it's
protein.
a
or
finishing oil.
All right, Andy, grab our plate, dude, because we're gonna need to sauce this up and
Ready?
plate it. Go for it, darling. Go, go, go.
Okay, all right, sesame oil.
Now we are doing I would say like
Wow.
just a right amount, but you
Yes.
can over oil with
Yes.
sesame oil. It is potent. It is strong.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Just like me.
Okay, that's right.
Except
All
for
right.
the smelling amazing part.
Delicious.
Will you stop that, please?
Yeah, and it's
Oh,
an
yeah.
appropriate size scoop. All right, here we go. See, look at that.
Nothing like a
Holy
shovel.
of food. I
Wow.
don't want to burn your hand, dude.
It's okay.
Oh,
Whoa.
oh, that was too much.
Yeah.
Let's try it again.
Whoa, good catch.
Okay, how about we do this much? Is that better?
No,
Oh, yeah.
do it again.
All right, how about I take this next one?
Wow,
That
that
was a
smells
lot.
amazing.
Obviously,
Oh,
this
yeah.
is a very family-friendly feast. Absolutely bananas.
I'm sorry. This is how I cook. I cook for a huge family, and this is
That was literally like 11 minutes start to finish.
Yeah, I
very
like it.
quick and easy.
I like it. All right, just like that, shrimp stir-fry noodles
Yep.
for apparently everybody. Stephanie, so right off the bat, gorgeous,
Yep.
gorgeous plating. They're just all the colors, all the veggies, all the things.
All the
that-
textures.
Yes.
all the things most people love. And I can eat shrimp. I am an adult.
Are you a big man? Huh? I'm talking to you.
Are you?
You sure about that?
You sure about that?
You sure about that?
I don't know, but I can get down with all this, and I can eat shrimp, and I will. But
It smells so good. I want to be hurry.
okay, so we gotta tail it, right?
Yes, we gotta
So we
tail
don't
it.
eat it with a fork, right? We just
No,
kind of
just-
grab. All right, there we go.
Cheers.
We cheers shrimp. That's what we do as adults.
Yeah.
Obviously.
So is this a faux pas with Chinese food or like Asian style food? Like with pasta, you grab it and you kind of do this guy. But this, I don't know why it feels like I shouldn't be doing
this
that.
isn't pasta. This is noodles.
This is noodles.
Right. Idiot. I should have known that.
Well, you didn't provide chopsticks for me, so that's why we're.
I didn't provide any of this for you.
Idiot. Double whammy.
Whammy! 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 Whammy!
The sauce is honestly the winner because you could do this with any veggies.
Anything. Any type of noodles. You can do egg noodles, wheat noodles. You can also, if you're really, really in for a pinch, you can use spaghetti noodles. Just gotta put them.
But if you do, you can do this when you use spaghetti
No,
noodles.
no, don't say that. Don't
Oh,
say
never
that.
mind. Don't do that.
You know, all
Ramen?
Chopsticks
All
still.
of these are pretty versatile too. So if you have
They
to
are.
buy a bottle,
Yes.
like you can do a ton of stuff with all those.
And honestly, the only two things over here that are like weird that you wouldn't find in your store is the dark soy, which
And-
would be it's a more specialty, and the cooking wine,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. But honestly, you could use dry sherry or like even a dry white wine for
There you
it
go.
for the Shaoxing wine.
There you
Yeah.
go. Leave it in the comments. How did we do? How did Miss Stephanie do on this delightful dish? But speaking of comments, my friends, it is now time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Thank you guys so much for making it to this segment of the show where we
enduring long enough to get here.
you didn't endure with Stephanie, but this is where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers, because if you guys write it,
You need.
and then apparently me and Stephanie, we get to share it, right?
Yeah.
So how about we start this first one off from the top in no particular order. These were sent to me from Esty, so I have no idea what they say, but they are from my show. They are from my show. Here we go.
All
And
right.
here we go. This is from...
This is from Lance Dean.
Hey, Lance.
Oh, nice.
Get the tunnel.
Wow.
Nate's videos never inspire.
Yeah, Lance! Let's go!
I don't know what that-
AKA Nate sucks.
Sounds like sarcasm.
Ooh, so does... There it is. Lance, you're my boy. First round's on me. I'm going to allow this because I didn't pick these out, but I just looked at who sent it. This next one is from Lance Dean.
Esty.
Jeez Louise!
Glue is bad.
My bad.
Lance Dean says, Nate is being Dr. Evil in this episode of CJ's First Cooking Show. Did you forget whose show it is?
Glue is good.
I think I see what's going on here. I think I see what's going
How
on
about
here.
no, Nate, okay?
How about no?
Thank you, sir.
Right.
That one deserves a little evil bell.
Cheers.
All right. All right, so who's this next one coming from?
Also from Lance Dean.
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
Jeez. You got me. Hey, fellas, who's the goose? Me.
Wow, come on. You got it. That was
All
great.
right, nice.
This one is Kevin Bromhead.
Hey, Kevin.
Kevin Bromhead or
Kev
Bromwell?
Bob. What's up,
Bromhead.
Kev?
Yeah, Bromhead.
Sorry. It says, what is this? Did CJ and Nate run out of ideas?
Whoa, 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 Miss
That was
Lippy.
on breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Those are
I
fighting
saw
words.
that comment.
It is actually on breakfast, lunch, and
Read
dinner.
the next one.
Rude.
There's another one.
Oh, there's another that goes.
We actually didn't run out of ideas. That was our next great brilliant
Oh.
idea.
You're a genius? My boy's a genius.
And then Kevin Bromhead says, "Great episode. Disregard my comment from last week's video."
Okay, we're good.
All right.
Come on.
There we go.
All right, this is great.
That was close.
And that is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's First Cooking Show. Thank you, Stephanie, so much
Of course.
for
Thanks
teaching
having
me
Indeed.
how to make these
Whoa.
delicious.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we put a dent in this, but we still got some more to do.
Slight.
This is definitely one of those easy weeknight, back to school things, just dump and stir kind of thing. All these sauces are very much readily available, minus the dark soy and the cooking wine. But
Which you could, yes.
yeah, we learned the pivots that you can make.
Yep.
Let us know how we did in the comments down below. But also, go to griddlenation.com. You can get lots of swag and stickers and cool stuff. Go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all other things. Be sure to stick around in the network. If you just so happen to hate me, which I'm going to say is like 70%, 70-30.
Or me, apparently.
Well, that's why we
Maybe
stopped
that's
filming
Lance.
your episodes, because nobody cares about you.
Fighting words again.
I have never,
Well, I'll get
in
used to
all
it.
of my 23 years,
But be sure to check out all the other shows on the network, minus Nate. But in the meantime, this is CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook.
And we go.
That's right.
Cheers.
And we hang out with Stephanie and eat delicious food once in a while.
Yeah, we do. I'd say go follow her, but she's got enough followers.
Never enough.
I'll say it.
Never enough.
Stephanie T, go follow her. She's amazing. She's awesome. So
Fine.
CJ learned all of his special skills.
Yes.
Perhaps.
Only me.
What do you do with your...
My little hand hurts. Sisters before misters! What? Okay. I like it, I guess.
All right, we'll go with it.